Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are just doing a little video of my recent favorites. They're more on the fall theme side, but they're not all exactly fall, so I don't know, they're in the fall realm. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and yeah, let's go. The first thing I wanted to talk about was some makeup items, obviously. So we're going to talk about this lipstick, and it's from CoverGirl. It's their cream lipsticks. I think they're new-ish. I don't know how new they are, but this is in the shade Sultry Sienna. It's just a really beautiful kind of brownie nude shade. If you're a deeper skin tone than me, which is basically everybody, it's gonna be a really pretty neutral shade on you, but if you're more towards my skin tone, it's gonna be a brownie nude, which I'm just really into lately. They're just speaking to me right now. So this is really pretty. I love it. It's very creamy. It obviously doesn't wear for a super long time because it is creamy, but I mean, you don't have to break the bank buying it because it's from the drugstore, and it's just really nice. I like it a lot. So if you watched my Glossier video, this is gonna come as no surprise. This is the new Cloud Paint in Dusk. It's not new to them, it's new to me. This is in the shade Dusk, and I really love it because it's like a nudie blush. It's essentially like the perfect nude blush. I'm wearing it today. I love it so much because it complements my bronzer so well, so it's not such a stark contrast between my blush and my bronzer. It kind of melts into one another. It's definitely more of a bronzy blush. If you're very fair toned like me, you could probably get away with using this as a bronzer actually, like a pinky bronzer. I just love using it as a blush because I feel like it melts so well together. And the Cloud Paints have always been a kind of tricky formula for me because they're so pigmented, but they're so watery, I guess you could say, that I just end up getting it all over my face. But I find that if I use a brush or a sponge with it, it works a lot better for me. So I can't use it with my hands, which is what it's meant to be used with, unfortunately, but I like using it with a tool, and it goes on a lot easier for me. So this is a really great one. If you're looking into the Cloud Paints, I really do suggest getting the shade Dusk. This next one is a lip gloss, which when you think fall, you don't really think lip glosses, you think more matte lipsticks. But I just love lip glosses all year round just because my skin gets so dry with the wind and the temperature going down. So I need all the moisture I can get, and this is the Sarah Happ Nude Slip lip gloss. It's very thick and it's a little bit sticky. It's not like super sticky, but it is very, very thick. And some people might not like that, but the reason why I personally like it is because since it is so kind of sticky and a little bit thicker, it doesn't like migrate all over my face. So when I look at my face during work or something, I don't see lip gloss like down here bleeding all around my face. It's exactly where I put it, and it does last a little bit longer. Obviously, if it's windy outside, it's gonna get in your hair and it's super annoying, so you just gotta kind of live with that. That's the life of lip gloss. Another reason why I love this lip gloss is because it just layers so well over other nude lip products. It just makes them kind of look more nude and glossy, and I just really like it. I've been digging it. It reminds me a lot of my old favorite lip gloss, which was the Gerard Cosmetics nude lip gloss. I just haven't repurchased it just because. But I really loved that lip gloss. I used it 24/7, and this reminds me a lot of that lip gloss. This next one is not really makeup, but it's beauty related. So this is the Sally Hansen Insta Dry nail color, and this is in the shade ASAP Apple, which is kind of a weird name, but I do love this. I'm wearing it today on my nails. I think the formula of these Insta Dries are really good. They're not always consistent. I feel like some are a lot more watery and some are a little more clumpy, like goopy. It just depends on the color I feel like, but this is a really good watery formula. I don't like the goopy ones because I feel like they go on too thick, but this one's just the right consistency for my taste. A little bit goes a very long way. You like scrape off most of the nail polish on the brush when you use this nail polish, and it goes on so opaque. You really don't need to do a second coat, and it dries really, really quickly, which is something I always need because when I do my nails at nighttime, I don't have a ton of time to just wait around for my nails to dry. So I really do like this formula, and the color is just really pretty, and I love it for fall. I don't know why. It's a very bright redishy orange color, which you would think is more summer, I would think personally. Like that would translate more summer to me. But I do love it for the fall. I just think it goes really well with all my outfits, and I just think it is a nice pop of color. So the next one, if you watched my last video, you know what this is. It is this beautiful silky, not silk, silk e-scarf from Anthropologie. I love it for many reasons. One's because of the price point, so it's polyester, it's not actual silk. When you buy actual silk, it's very, very expensive, obviously. This one was $28, but I also do work at Anthropologie, so I get a pretty good discount. I'm not gonna lie to you here. So I got it for a pretty good price. I also love it because it's nice and big. Like, it's not a little square scarf that you can only like tie around your neck. It's very, very large, so you can double it up around your neck. You can wear it up in your hair with plenty of stuff to spare, you know what I'm saying? I can even wear it high-waisted around my stomach if I suck in. So, I mean, but I really do like it, and if you go to my last video, which I'll link up here, you can see all the ways that I love to style this, and I also just love the colors. I think they're very fall-esque. There's blues, reds, golds, tan. I think all the fall colors that you want, they're in this scarf, so. All right, this next item, I wore this in my Glossier video, so if you want to see me actually wear it, it's in that video, which I will link up here probably. This is just an olive green, mossy green layering turtleneck, and it's ribbed, and it has a little seam right here at the sleeves. I've worn it as a layering top. I love it because it's not too hot, and I love it just by itself tucked into some high-waisted pants. It looks really nice because sometimes when you wear flowy, higher waisted pants, you want something that's a little bit tighter so you don't look flowy and billowy all over the place. So this one's kind of nice for that. It comes in so many colors. I want to get the black one. I want to get white, but man, makeup and white turtlenecks just don't get along. I don't even think I said where it was from yet. So this is from Free People, literally only $30. Just a really great top. It's really inexpensive for, I think, the quality and all the purposes you can wear with it. And it's not crop top, which is nice for tucking into things. And it's just like the perfect little layering, standalone also, little ribbed shirt thing. And it's a great price point too, so you need it. What can I say? Alright guys, so that concludes my fall-ish favorites of the moment. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite beauty products or clothing items, accessories, what have you, what those are for you right now. I'd love to know. Everything that I mentioned here will be listed down below. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.